The next award up is the Credit Leadership Award. Do I need to hit the button again? Okay. The Credit Leadership Award is awarded to the individual who has demonstrated leadership as the art of motivating a group of people to act toward a common goal in credit order to cash. Shh. The nominees this year are Anita Shishodi of Lexmark, nominated by Novacure. Gergely Benny of Thermo Fisher Scientific, again, nominated by Novacure. Gabor Andrasi from Howden, and Miroslava Radulova of Coca-Cola Europacific Partners. This year, the Credit Leadership Award goes to a person with more than 20 years' experience in credit and collection. This person is described as an out-of-the-box thinker, finding solutions in complex situations. One of the aspects that stands out in this person's professional demeanor is the ability not only to direct process improvements, but to also participate actively in their development and deployment. They promote internal and external trainings, showing a genuine interest in the advancement of team members. This person inspires and motivates. Can we get a drum roll? And the winner is... Please congratulate...
Somebody.
Mira Radulova. Coca-Cola.
Congratulations.
But this is self-nomination.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Okay. Do you want to say a few words, Mira? Congratulations again. Do you want to...
It is so unexpected, guys. But if you check my post from last year in LinkedIn after the conference, I was wishing CCP, Coca-Cola Europacific Partners, to be on the stage, but not me. You surprised me so much. So thank you very much. I like this event. It's absolutely fantastic meeting you, all of you here. So thank you very much. It's such an honor, and I didn't expect it. So I'm thrilled. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. You're very welcome. I think you need a drink. Okay, congratulations, Mira.
Thank you.